Hello everybody, it's New Tech Today 13, and today we'll be showing you what I got going on with my iPad. You have no idea what the other side looks like at the moment. um, yeah, it's kind of in a bad state at the moment. No digitizer on it, LCD's defective, I'm waiting for a new one. I got the new dig. Um, that's the old broken one. It's the fourth one I've been through, and I've been through way too many of them. It's going to start pissing me off if I break it again. But I got my new one right here. And it'll be good when I get it installed. And watch this. It'll just be good. I bought this one less than a week ago. Brand new. Picked it up. Went to install it. Dropped it. And it hit the corner on the ground. Shattered, or broke the corner. That is sharp too. And it's shattered right there. Yeah, I just broke it again. On camera, I broke it, yeah. Well, I majorly suck at putting iPad displays on. I've done it 3 times before. That one was going to be number 4, but I dropped it. On the same iPad, too. It's been through so many of them, it's not even funny. I did drop tests with this iPad, and that last one I didn't really scratch up the back too terrible, but which corner is it? This corner is dented in, and it broke the bezel. And when I took it apart, the Wi-Fi antenna broke, so I ordered a new Wi-Fi antenna and new 3G CDMA hookup deal there. And then I went to order a new LCD, and that didn't work either because I, of course, got a fake defective one from China. And it's like, are you serious? Why are they doing this? But, you know, they're stupid, so. I mean, I shouldn't probably be saying this on camera, but. I've gotten so many fake things. I do either Amazon or Repair Universe. And I've had quite a bit of fake stuff come in. Pisses me off. I got this HTC merge phone I have to fix. It's stuck in a bootloader, and I am in the process of fixing a Galaxy phone, Galaxy Fastenet, on Verizon. There's the front, there's a motherboard. What had happened is, you can see that, you see the cracks inside LCD shattered, so pisses me off. Order a new one of them, they're $77. I will do a video on how to install it when I get it. Then I'll get that phone back up and running. The reason I want it running so bad is because I spent 3 hours rooting it and putting ROMs on it. And I got a stable Jelly Bean 4.2 ROM, and it was nice and speedy, and I loved it. Lock screen, everything, it was great. So, if you want to see another video, comment or subscribe or anything, and I will set up, and I will show you a video on how to install the new digitizer, LCD, and other parts to the iPad 2 and to the Galaxy Fastenet. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.